Cold, but ocean view.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, what's up?
Here's our manager.
Oh,
So my one, I just have to enough to walk.
yeah, you walk over there.
One jacket on a rock.
Hmm?
One jacket on a rock.
No, that's dangerous.
No, not jacket.
Of course it is.
Mommy. So much. Yeah. So yeah.
Go sit down, please. Sit down, Aiden, please. Our or yours?
Mine.
Only you?
You could have even changed the word, right?
Yeah.
Rainbow sprinkle.
No, 不要这样去。坐好。
I don't want rainbow sprinkle.
Yeah, you'll get it. It's a nice Saturday. Fresh air. A little bit too fresh. Oh, didn't expect it to be this cold today. Didn't even do not go over there, please.
My favorite.
Can you not do that before that thing slips and we fall over? Ocean view. Saturday evening. Chilling out. Tide is out. You know, after in the evening, the tide is gonna come back in. You know, the water.
Back to the water.
Yeah, the water is gonna come back up here. Hey, be careful, fall off there, please.
That's not it.
Yeah, the tide is gonna come back in.
Welcome back to the
Come there, someone passing. Be careful.
Let's go into the clouds.
It's gonna come back. Remember those wetland? Remember that wetland place in what's it called again?
Remember?
Game, yeah, Game wetland. Same idea like that place. This is a nice view though. Very beautiful scenery.
Daddy, it's so beautiful.
It is.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
All the buildings are very colorful. That makes it nice. It looks like what's that place called? Curacao? With those pretty buildings. No, Curacao.
Daddy,
Yeah, those have those
Daddy,
Caribbean countries.
this
Yeah.
one looks like Mara Street. No,
But it's cool
a
though.
rainbow.
A nice coastal style. Looks very Caribbeanish.
Daddy, this is like a rainbow.
What's like a rainbow?
Those colorful houses.
Oh yeah, they're very nice.
Yeah, they're like rainbow.
Very cozy. Right on the coast. Hi Julie. Welcome to my live. Thank you for joining. We're just chilling out here. Enjoying this beautiful view. Careful over there, yeah? Most of these places are not open as yet for the season because winter is just finishing. So that's where we're coming. That's where we're coming from, isn't it? Oh yeah, we didn't go. Let's go to water. Let's go to water. Head up this side. Come, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Is your hand cold? I guess you guys put the gloves on and took them off. Give me your hand. Hi. Evelyn walk. Hey, would you come? Oh, where's your hand? I can't see your hand. You pull your hand in your clothes.
Yes.
What?
Please hold my hand. Do not hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Here's some old fishing baskets. You want to go fishing?
Yeah.
Or crab traps. Should be fishing traps.
I just have to fish old fishing bags.
Yeah.
Came from the ocean.
They used them before.
people?
Yeah, they go on the fishing boats and they put them in the water. See all those shops over there.
Daddy, can you put my hand again? This side's gone.
Okay.
This is my hands.
Yes, I'm holding your hand.
Daddy,
What is this? This is your hand.
no, no, not.
Oh, it is.
It's moving by itself.
Alright,
This.
let's move by itself.
This.
That's where we were coming from earlier. What's
This arm is moving by itself.
your hand moving by itself? Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I think we should go back to the donut place.
15 minutes.
15 minutes?
15.
15 minutes.
1-5. Yes.
1-5?
Yeah.
That means that's how many
This
minutes?
is a different view from there. So look at the view. See?
Hey, you're right.
Very beautiful. Can you come over here?
Okay.
This side is more windy.
Hey, you come on. Get off my hand.
No, I'm holding your arm. I'm not gonna let you go. Give me your arm.
Well, my real hand is...
See? And that's downtown over there on the other side.
Yes. Come on. Yes.
Ooh.
I want to look at the stuff there.
What's there's rocks.
There's lots of pepper.
No, don't climb up on that place. You're not supposed to climb on the place. Tide is out now. When the tide comes back, water is gonna be all the way up here.
Like up the rocks?
Yeah. Sometimes.
But how can there's a little water down now? There's
Because you have tide in and tide out. Certain times when the tide comes back, probably in the evening, the tide's gonna come back.
Let me go. Ah, it's a crab.
It's the crab. See, the birds are looking for the clams. And the oysters, see? Get a lot of clam shells. Oh, that's cold. Yeah, see the seagulls are looking for the clams. See them in the water right there? They're eating the clams. And the mussels. Because when the tide goes out, they can see the water clearly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Stop. Stop. You're not supposed to go beyond that point, okay? Stop. You're not supposed to go beyond that point.
And
That's the end of the boardwalk. See, it's a nice view.
Yeah.
The camera doesn't do the justice, but you can see all the way back downtown there. Don't I? Oh. Ooh.
anything.
Yeah, but it's cold. Yeah, you can. Yeah.
If you crack the pitch, you pause the blue water.
Let's see if we see any fishes swimming in there. Do you see any fishes?
Oh no.
No? Yes? Maybe? The water is very cold right now. Oh, that's cold. Let's go back. Oh, you didn't dress for this. I didn't expect this. Huh? No. Oh. Man, I didn't dress for this. Didn't expect it to be that windy. Let's go. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be this cold. Oh, he's gonna bite you. Just a short life walking around. Life. Oh, until our donuts are ready. What are you doing? What if you're stuck like that? Okay, put it in your pocket. Over here. Oh, yes, we're coming. Ito ya. Spirin lang eh. Let's go. You wanna stay here? Spirin lang eh. Spirin lang eh.
Yes, I think we're gonna just go home and just take a donut.
Come. This way, this way.
What's this?
Just walk back around. No rush. What's your guys' favorite season?
And also, please subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, also please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed, right, Nick?
Yeah, and if you like this, if you want to watch more of his good videos, you just search for his name. I'm just joking. Okay? You got it, everyone? Do a thumbs up.
You want to walk here or you want to walk around? Huh? You think it's 15 minutes already? Just walk around.
Bro.
Bro.
And also, if you like this video, do a thumbs up to this video.
Yes, exactly.
It's a really good pleasure to have you doing a thumbs up to this video.
You're such a good team player.
Me?
Yeah.
Thanks, man. I just want to say some words that is so good.
Yeah.
We're going to check if the donut is ready. So that
Can we quickly walk up then? Yeah. Let's go to see if your mini donuts are ready.
And do you like the? And if you like the waves, you should go to Surfers. And right here, and up here, you can see some beautiful waves. And sometimes the tide can go up to make sure how you do stuff.
I bet this bro.
Or the wind.
Hi. Oh, even but it's colder than we expected.
There. Oh, those are the mini doubles.
I don't think it's ready yet. I don't think so. They were before us, isn't it? They haven't got theirs as well yet. So I don't think we'll probably not get ours yet.
you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, Tia.
Get some sugar. Waiting on the donuts now. See the doggy?
They're not gonna be ready.
Huh?
They're ready now.
They're gonna call your names and you're ready.
I think they just called our name.
You think?
How did you know?
Yes.
Come, carefully.
I seen you on Thursday. I was gonna stop by, but it's kind of late to get my son all kinds of donuts.
Alright, so I guess that's it for the live. Thanks for joining. Until next time. Peace out. Enjoy your Saturdays, everyone. And also, you can check out lots more videos on the channel. Peace out.
Both, get one.